उपमा, पराठा, आलू, pancake, masala omelette, chicken. So good morning guys. I am getting ready. Now where I'm going? I'm going for my breakfast. बहुत भूख लगी है. And I'm not only going to have a breakfast, I'm gonna make a vlog about it. How's the breakfast on the Cordelia cruise ship?
There are some girls out there who want to smell me. So,
Perfume is there. I have taken my mic. I'm ready. Guys, let's go. So breakfast time 8 to 10, lunch is 1 to 3 and dinner is 7:30 to 10. Actually I had a food yesterday upstairs. So let me check whether they have a breakfast, and such a lovely sea today. Hi, is breakfast here or upstairs?
Here and take my telephone.
So we can have here also.
Anywhere you want. Good morning.
You want to say hi to my subscribers?
Hi.
And this girl sees my video, am I right?
Yes, I do.
So finally breakfast. Some cutleries, cups, cornflakes, different type of sweet breads, assorted breads, fruits. This is idli. What is this? Masala uttappa. So it's full of Indian food actually. Sambar, right? Upma, paratha, aloo, pancake, masala omelette, chicken, and eggs. So let's see what all I am going to have today. So this is sambar, this is white chutney, this is red chutney. Okay. Mendu vada, dhokla, uttappa, idli, pancake, upma, sausages, omelette, paratha, and mendu vada. So guys, let's have the food and taste the food and let you know how's the breakfast on Cordelia cruises. Is it worth enough? So the first thing I'm gonna have is the egg. Frankly speaking, I can make better egg than this, but it's okay. Not that great. It tastes like a ship egg, not shit, a ship egg, because I have been working on a cruise ship and I have tasted a lot of eggs, omelets I mean. So it's similar to that, not very great. I'm tasting now. This is upma. Upma is good. I can take more. Dhokla. Juicy. Nice. Now this is masala idli. Little bit of chutney. Okay. Both the chutney. This red chutney is amazing. Amazing means amazing. White chutney, as usual, normal. Red chutney is amazing. It's sambar. Sambar is also good. Idli. Idli की तरह है. चटनी के साथ खाऊंगा तो अच्छा लगेगा. Aloo paratha. Only thing is missing is aloo. And by the way, guys, as you all know that my mom is a Punjabi. So I like aloo paratha from home, either having outside. So I did not like aloo paratha, I'm sorry, but you can also like it if you try it. It's not bad, but okay, for me aloo paratha is not that great. Alright, now this is sausages, little bit of sausages, let me taste. Sausages will always taste the same. It's always the same. And this is an aloo ka bhaji. Not great. So guys, Indian donut. So let me taste mendu vada. Bit oily, but the taste is okay, not that great. Okay, so overall, if I want to rate this food, it will be 7 out of 10. Not that great, but not that worse also. You can enjoy it. Let me have my breakfast and I'll get back to you. Bye.